it's pouring so hard and we're stuck in this cave. And like there's a freaking bat in here. Oh.
Yes. Chad, you can hear it.
We had to run through it. It was like, my phone almost died. Okay, so we have like 3 beds in our room. I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. This is like 15 videos in one. The room's messy, I'm sorry. Let's go outside. Let's start outside. Okay. Here's outside. There's like a girl right there, that's awkward. Here's this thing, and there's someone coming, so that's that. Here's the mirror, my outfit, my shirt, my dress is from Tilly's. Here is, I don't even know what that is, but it does nothing. There's a safe, yeah. And then these are the clothes that we got wet the other night because we got stuck in a rainstorm. Okay, whatever. Bathroom, it's messy. Here's my stuff, like my skincare, everything's in here. Okay, I don't know why it's so gross in here, I'm sorry. Here's my skincare, and here's all my other stuff, like my deodorant, toothpaste, body mist, and then here's all my makeup and stuff in here. I'm not wearing any makeup right now, so don't judge. And then here's our shower. It's like 15 million bathing suits hanging over there. Look. There we go. Hey, mirror. Oh, this is where my brother sleep on this pull-out couch. Right here. And then it's really messy. This is what he has. Some candy from this place that we go to every day. And a card. Here's my bed. Oh. This is the room that we share. We have a connecting room. You guys are so awkward. Here is the beds. They're kind of ugly, but it's fine. Nightstands, water's in a sense. You drank all that?
Chad drinks some.
Oh, yeah. We basically just have food and
More candy.
yeah, that's it. There's that. You know, this. And then there's someone weird over here. I don't know what he's doing, but oh. You actually want me to put this in the video? Okay, that's a tour of the room.